Welcome to beautiful Palm Lake Gardens, a deed-restricted, gated, and private community that consists of only 88 residences. Hi, I'm Sandra Alexander, and this is my new listing at 2802 South Serenity Circle in sunny Fort Pierce, Florida. You'll love the flow and the floor plan the minute you'll step through the front door. Large glass sliding doors invite you to enjoy your family meals and gatherings outside on the extensive pool deck. Enjoy the privacy that the lush landscape provides to soak up some sun rays by the pool. This naturally bright and open concept pool home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, of which 1 bathroom is a cabana bathroom that is accessed from the pool area. For more information, feel free to contact me.